Hi, I'm Mark Pullan, the Innovation and Training Director for TÜV SÜD Dunbar Boardman. I've been working for the company for the last 20 years in our Leeds office as a lift and escalator consultant. In 2018 I had the opportunity to go out to the Singapore office to establish our consultancy services in Singapore and also to assist with our data analysts on our lift manager predictive maintenance system, assisting with my 40 years domain knowledge. The lift manager solution uses IoT sensors installed on the lift to stream data on the lift performance back via a cloud to our data analysts. They use AI engines, analytic engines to look into the data and the performance characteristics of the lift with a view to providing information to the client on future breakdowns or potential inferior performance of the lift. On current projects, we've managed to achieve an 80% accuracy on predicting breakdowns. This has led to an improvement of between 10 and 15% on the overall breakdown failure rate on clients' portfolios. The return on the investment can be seen by the possibility to reduce the frequency of maintenance from monthly to bi-monthly or even to quarterly, but with the ultimate aim to change to an on-demand maintenance frequency using the data that is streamed from the sensors and the data analytics. There are some potential conflicts of interest, mainly because many of the major companies are also developing their own predictive maintenance systems. But what we find is that these systems are only fitted to their own products. So from a customer point of view, who have a large portfolio, then they may have to have multiple systems if they have multiple maintenance providers. Whereas our system is a standalone system that can fit to any type of lift or any age, so it's brand agnostic. So we see that the client has an added benefit from having an open system that can fit to any lift. Over the last 30 years or so, the industry has been using basic telemonitoring systems to indicate the performance and operational status of the lifts. These are just purely a reactive system. Any error or performance is indicated after the event. For instance, are the doors opening, are the doors closing, is the lift going up or is the lift going down, or perhaps the power has failed, etc. The real game changer now is to use IoT sensors, data analytics, to enable the failures to be predicted in order to reduce the downtime of the lift. The Lift Manager solution can assist in the maintenance management of the lift portfolio by reducing maintenance costs, the frequency of maintenance and the disruption caused by unannounced breakdowns. TÜV SÜD Dunbar Boardman are the UK's largest independent lift and escalator consultants. We employ 55 consultants providing impartial advice to our clients.